Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Tiwari and today I will share some information regarding cybercrime and cybersecurity. Firstly, we have to know that what is cybercrime. Criminal activities that are carried out by the means of computers or the internet is called cybercrimes. Cybercrimes, also known as computer-oriented crimes, involves computers and network. These crimes are done to target someone or to get money by threatening a person. There are various types of cybercrimes. Some of the well-known and commonly done are phishing, hacking, identity scams, cyber stalking, software piracy, fraud, and malware. And many more types of cybercrimes are present. Talking about phishing. Phishing is a type of attack often used to steal users' data like login details, credit card details, etc. In this case, the attacker may behave like a trusted entity, so the user trusts the attacker. Phishing can be done by instant message, emails, or text messages. Now, the next one is hacker. Hacking is the activity of identifying weakness in a computer system or a network to exploit the security to gain access to the personal data. System hacking means using computers to commit fraudulent acts such as fraud, privacy invasion, stealing personal data. Hackers are classified according to the intent of their actions. Type of hackers are as first, ethical hackers, or we can say white hat hackers. Second, cracker or black hat hackers. Third, grey hat hacker. Fourth, script kiddies. Fifth, hacktivist. Sixth, fracker. White hat hackers gains access to the systems with a view to fix the identified weakness. Black hat hacker who gains unauthorized access to the computer system for personal gain. A grey hat hacker is between ethical and cracker hackers. They breaks into the computer system without authority with a view to identify weakness and reveal them out to the system owner. And kiddies are non-skilled person who gains access to the computer using already made tools. Hacktivists are the hackers who use hacking to send social, religious and political messages. This is usually done by hijacking websites and leaving the messages on the hijacked website. Fracker are the hacker who identify and exploits weakness in telephones instead of computers. Now moving on and let us know about malware. Malware is a computer software such as a virus that the user does not know about or want and is devised to damage the computer and computer network. The common type of malware are virus and worms for the manner in which they spread rather than the specific type of behavior. They infect others' network and software. Some types of malware are viruses, Trojan horses, ransomware, and worms. Viruses are designed to damage the target computer or device by corrupting data, reformatting the hard disk, and completely shutting down the system. Trojan malware. It acts like a file that tricks you. Trojans cannot replicate themselves like the virus does. Trojans can come from emails like when you click on a link looks like a legitimate attachment which it is not. The file get downloaded and opened, then the file go on to install malware to your device. Ransomware. It is a malicious software that infects the computer and displays messages demanding a fee to be paid in order for the system to work again. This class of malware is a criminal money-making scheme that can be installed through links in an email message, instant message, or website. Computer worms. They could arrive the attachments in spam emails, instant messages. Once opened, these files could provide a link to a malicious website or automatically download it to the computer worm. Once it installed, the worm silently goes to work and infects the machine without user's knowledge. Everyone wants to be protected from cyber crimes, so they can take precautions. For this, one can use strong password. Ensure that you are having at least 10 letters of password. The password must have symbols or numbers. Also, ensure about your social media accounts. Keep your personal and private information locked down. Make sure that your children can come to you if they are experiencing any kind of online harassment, stalking, or bullying. And the most important is to keep your antivirus updated. Ensure your antivirus is working. Also, if you become a victim of cybercrime, then you need to alert to the local police. This is important even if cybercrime seems minor. So, if you wanted to be protected from cybercrimes, follow the precautions against cybercrimes. At last, I would like to thank you all for watching the video. I hope that with the help of this video, you will be able to know about cybercrime and its precautions.